So here's a picture of my setup. As you can see, I have three screens and my mouse can move across all three of these. Now, when they're all blue like this, it's super easy to see where my cursor is. But if I've got a lot of applications and tabs and different things open, it's really easy for me to lose and not know exactly where my mouse is. So I'm going to show you what I do so that I can quickly find my mouse no matter where it is on any of the three screens. So I click on the Windows icon and I just type in mouse settings. So I can go to my mouse settings. Then I scroll down to related settings and then I look under additional mouse settings and I open that up. Then I click over to the pointer options tab and then I click on show location of pointer when I press the control key. Select that and hit OK. Now, no matter where my cursor is, I can easily see across the three screens where it is. I hope this helped.